let's discuss crazy Amazon kitchen gadgets you must see. All gadgets, links in comment and description. Let's start the video. Hamilton Beach food processor and vegetable chopper. Your kitchen's new best friend for slicing, shredding, chopping, mixing, and pureeing. With a powerful 450-watt motor, a spacious 10-cup bowl, and a large feed chute that reduces the need for pre-cutting, this gadget can handle everything from hearty salads to delicate purees. Plus, it features a built-in bowl scraper, so no more stopping mid-process to scrape the sides. Pros: it's got a versatile 2-speed control plus pulse. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, and it has suction feet for stability. Cons: the plastic build might feel less sturdy over time, and at 4.7 pounds, it's a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Next, Univolt 12 electric pizza oven, the ultimate tool for pizza lovers who want restaurant-quality pies at home. This electric oven can be used both indoors and outdoors, reaching a blistering 850 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 minutes. With its compact size, this versatile oven can cook a 12-inch pizza in just 90 seconds on a stone-baked surface for that authentic crispy crust. Plus, it's durable, with a powder-coated carbon steel shell, weather-resistant for outdoor use, and portable thanks to built-in handles. Now, the pros: super fast heating, adjustable settings for different cooking styles, and portable for easy outdoor pizza nights. Cons: at 39 pounds, it's not the lightest to move around, and its size might not be ideal for smaller kitchens. But if you're serious about pizza, the Univolt is a game changer. Next, Dome Air Fryer, a game changer in fast and convenient cooking. Voted the best large capacity air fryer of 2024, it cooks up to 30% faster than traditional air fryers, whipping up 32 chicken wings in just 14 minutes or 2 steaks in 8 minutes. This 5.6-quart fryer is whisper quiet at only 55 dB, so you can enjoy peace in the kitchen, and it even has a unique self-cleaning mode. With 10 pre-set smart programs and a non-stick ceramic basket, this air fryer makes cooking and cleanup a breeze. Now, the pros: incredibly fast cooking, quiet operation, and a self-cleaning function that saves you time. Cons: it's quite large, which could be a challenge for smaller kitchens, and the self-cleaning feature takes a full 2 hours. Overall, the Dome Air Fryer is perfect for anyone looking to cook quick, delicious meals with minimal effort. Next, Comfy portable mini dishwasher, a perfect solution for small spaces like apartments, RVs, or dorms. This compact dishwasher doesn't require any hookup. Just fill the built-in 5L water tank and you're ready to go. It can handle up to 30 items, including 9.5-inch plates, and offers 6 program options, from a rapid wash to a high-temp hygiene wash that heats up to 192 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for baby bottles and heavily soiled dishes. Plus, its air refresh mode keeps your dishes and the unit dry and odor-free. Now let's talk pros. Super convenient with no installation needed, high-temp cleaning, and a compact design that fits anywhere. Cons: the 62 dB noise level might be a bit loud for some, and its 2-place setting capacity means it's best for smaller households. Overall, the Comfy mini dishwasher is a fantastic, space-saving gadget for quick and efficient dishwashing. Next, Mamba Loader XLV255 electric herb grinder, a must-have for anyone who loves cooking with fresh herbs and spices. This USB rechargeable grinder makes herb preparation fast and effortless, with a one-handed operation and a durable aluminum alloy head that holds up to 2 grams of herbs. Simply load, close, and grind. Its clear cone spout ensures precise, mess-free dispensing. The powerful 2000 mAh battery delivers enough torque to slice through herbs easily, making it perfect for quick kitchen use. Now for the pros: it's USB rechargeable, easy to use with minimal hand strain, and delivers a clean, precise pour. Cons: its small 2-gram capacity might not be ideal for larger batches, and it's not suitable for hard spices like peppercorns. Overall, the Mamba Loader is perfect for anyone who values speed, convenience, and easy herb preparation. Next, Ninja JC 151 NeverClog cold press juicer, a powerful slow juicer that delivers smooth, fresh juice without the hassle of clogs. This juicer features total pulp control with 2 interchangeable filters, letting you choose between less pulp or lots of pulp, so you can customize your juice just the way you like it. With its 150-watt high-torque motor, this juicer powers through even tough ingredients without slowing down. Plus, it has a compact design that fits easily on countertops and dishwasher-safe parts for hassle-free cleanup. Now, let's get into the pros. It offers non-stop juicing, easy pulp control, and simple setup, and the anti-drip lever keeps your kitchen mess-free. Cons: the 150-watt motor might might be less powerful for hard ingredients compared to higher wattage juicers, and its size may be small for heavy juicing needs. Next, KPKitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser, a must-have kitchen tool for perfect pancakes, cupcakes, waffles, muffins, and more. This easy-pour batter dispenser is made of high-quality BPA-free plastic and holds up to 4 cups, making it super convenient for all your baking needs. Its wide mouth makes filling a breeze, and the no-break redesigned handle ensures long-lasting durability. Plus, the quick-close valve prevents leaks, giving you mess-free pouring every time. Whether you're making pancakes, muffins, or even pizza sauce, this dispenser is designed to handle thick or chunky mixes with ease. Now for the pros. It offers perfect portion control, mess-free dispensing, and a durable, kid-friendly design. Cons. The plastic material may feel a bit lightweight for some, and it's designed for thicker batters, so runnier mixes might require extra care. Next, Crock-Pot 8-quart programmable slow cooker, the ultimate kitchen essential for effortless meal prep. With an impressive 8-quart capacity, this slow cooker is perfect for feeding large groups. Whether you're hosting a holiday dinner or meal prepping for the week, the digital timer lets you set the cooking time for up to 20 hours, and once it's done, the auto-warm feature keeps your food at the perfect serving temperature. Its sleek black stainless steel finish not only looks great, but is also easy to clean, and the removable dishwasher safe lid and pot make cleanup a breeze. Now for the pros. Large capacity, auto-warm setting, and easy cleanup with dishwasher safe parts. Cons. Its large size might be bulky for smaller kitchens, and the 1,500 watt power might be a bit high for those with energy concerns. Next, DeLonghi Stilosa Manual Espresso Machine, a compact and stylish espresso maker that's perfect for any coffee lover's kitchen. This sleek machine combines a 15-bar pump pressure to extract the richest single or double espresso shots, giving you that cafe-quality experience at home. The manual milk frother is a game changer for anyone who loves a creamy cappuccino or silky latte, allowing you to texture milk just the way you like it. Plus, its stainless steel boiler is built for durability, ensuring years of reliable coffee making. With a 2-level cup holder, you can brew directly into various cup sizes, from small espresso cups to larger mugs. Now for the pros. It's compact, delivers excellent espresso with a 15-bar pump, and the milk frother adds versatility. Cons. Being manual, it might require some practice to perfect your frothing technique, and the smaller water reservoir may need frequent refills. Next, Breville Vertical Bar Polyscience Control Freak Temperature Controlled Induction Cooking System. This commercial-grade induction cooktop is a game changer for chefs and home cooks who crave perfect results every time. The Control Freak features a through-the-glass pan temperature sensor, directly monitoring the heat to ensure your ingredients are cooked precisely. With an impressive temperature range of 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, and the ability to hold that temperature to within 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ideal for anything from slow cooking to searing. Built with stainless steel housing and a crack-resistant ceramic glass top, it's designed to withstand high heat and long nights in the kitchen. Pros: precise temperature control and stability. Durable, high-quality construction with stainless steel and ceramic glass, suitable for a wide range of temperatures and cooking styles. Twin-fan cooling system for extended use without overheating. Cons: only one heating element, limiting multi-dish cooking. Expensive compared to standard induction cookers. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts and comments about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.